Hello everyone. I am your English teacher Rija Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So today we are going to discuss past continuous tense. So please have your notebook and pen or pencil with you so that you can note down the important points that we are going to discuss now. ठीक है. So past continuous tense. First of all, we will discuss when we use past continuous tense or the definition of past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense when we talk about actions or activities that were going on for some time in the past. Okay, so we will talk about the actions or activities, जो भी actions or activities past में हो रही थी. ठीक है, whatever the actions or activities you were doing in the past. ठीक है, for that we use past continuous tense. Okay, if we were watching a movie yesterday, or you can say I was baking a cake yesterday, or I was reading a book last night. So whatever the activities or actions that you were doing in the past, जो activities और action आप past में कर रहे थे, चल रही थी, उसके लिए हम past continuous tense use करते हैं. Okay, then we are going to discuss the rule now, and I really want you to write this rule on your notebook. Okay, so that you can remember it, and you can have this with you all the time. Okay, whenever you want to recall the rule, you can check from the notebook. Okay, so to form the past continuous tense, we use the subject, was, were, verb plus ing. First of all, what is subject? The person who was doing an action in the past. ठीक है, जो भी person उस sentence में action कर रहा था. ठीक है, द पर्सन हु वॉज डूइंग एक्शन इन द पास्ट. ठीक है, जो भी उस पर्सन में कोई एक्शन कर रहा था. द पर्सन कैन बी आई, द पर्सन कैन बी ही, द पर्सन कैन बी शी, इट, दे, यू, और एनी नेम. ठीक है, इट कैन बी सुमित ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी अमन ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी एनी वन. ठीक है, एंड इट कैन बी अमन एंड वरुण ऑल्सो. ठीक है, टू पर्सन्स ऑल्सो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट, we are going to choose was or were. The next step we are going to take, after concentrating on the subject, whether the subject is singular or plural, we have to concentrate on was and were. ठीक है, कि हमने with this subject we have to use was, with this subject we have to use were. ठीक है, was and were are the helping verb, and we are not going to use them together. हम इनको इकट्ठे नहीं यूज करेंगे. We will use them separately according to the subject. Okay, then the next step is verb plus verb first form plus ing. ठीक है, the verb, the action word. Okay, the action word which will be given to us in the bracket. Okay, and उसके साथ हमने ing लगाना है. Okay, so here are the examples, like look is a verb, and with look I have added ing, तो क्या बन गया? Looking. Do is a verb, and I have added ing, doing. Jump is a verb plus ing, jumping. Okay, so first step, we have to concentrate on the subject. Next beta, according to the subject we have to choose was or were. Okay, next verb which will be given to us in the bracket, the action word which will be given to us in the bracket, we have to simply add ing with it. Okay, so this is past continuous tense rule. ठीक है, please write it beta on your notebook. Next, with which subject we are going to use was, with which subject we are going to use were. ओके, सो वी यूज वॉज. हम वॉज किसके साथ यूज करेंगे? वॉज किसके साथ यूज करेंगे? ही, शी, इट एंड आई. ही, शी, इट एंड आई. ओके, और एनी सिंगुलर नेम, कोई भी सिंगल, ठीक है, एनी सिंगल नेम ऑल्सो यू कैन पिक. ठीक है, like you can talk about a single dog also. Dog was barking at the stranger. ठीक है, so any single person for singular and with he, she, it and I के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? was. एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप बेटा यू नो वेरी वेल, जो हमें ब्रैकेट में वर्ब दी होगी उसके साथ ing लगाना है. वर्ब प्लस ing, वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. ओके, सो ही वॉज, सी बेटा, ही सिंगुलर, वॉज लाफ, लाफ प्लस ing, लाफिंग लाउडली. शी वॉज लाफिंग लाउडली. I was laughing loudly. It was barking at the stranger. Stranger means बेटा unknown person, जिसको हम जानते नहीं हैं. Okay, it was barking at the stranger. So with all these singular one, with all these subject, I have used was. ठीक है, and then next step is verb first form plus ing. ठीक है, verb bark plus ing, barking. Okay, so next is with which subject we are going to use were. So we will use were with you, we, they. You, we, they. Okay, and after choosing were, what we have to do? Verb फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. ठीक है, यू वर वॉकिंग होम इन द रेन. वी वर वॉकिंग होम इन द रेन. दे वर वॉकिंग होम इन द रेन. आई हैव deliberately used same sentences by changing the subject only. With all these three subject there will be were. अगर बेटा if we are talking about more than one person, like if I am talking about my sister and I, if I am talking about Ajay and Aman, so they are more than one. ठीक है, एक मेरी सिस्टर है, एक मैं, अजय, अमन. So when we are talking about more than one person, ठीक है, if we are talking about more than one person, then we will use were, and the next step you know very well, verb plus ing. Okay, verb plus ing. So let us read some examples here. According to the subject, I have used were or was, verb first form plus ing. Okay, so here are children. Children are the subject. Okay, so children are plural. Plural, child is singular, children are plural. So with children were, cheer plus ing, cheering loudly. I subject, according to I beta, was. I was eating my dinner. Eat plus ing, eating my dinner at 8 o'clock. Peter, again singular. Peter was hiding. Hide plus ing. Mr. McGregor, singular, was looking. Look plus ing, looking for Peter. The kids, subject, kids plural, were watching. Watch plus ing, watching cartoon shows. So what we have to do? we simply have to concentrate on the subject, and according to the subject we have to choose was or were, and the next step is verb first form plus ing. Okay, verb first form plus ing. So here is a small exercise. She, singular, was, she was, bake is given in the bracket action word, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, bake के साथ ing, baking. She was baking the chocolate cake. I was, ठीक है, because we have discussed with he, she, it and I, was लगेगा. I was reading. I was reading my favorite novel last night. Okay, next, it was raining. It was raining yesterday evening. बारिश हो रही थी कल. I was driving. I was driving the car. He was writing. He was writing an interesting story. वो interesting story लिख रहा था. Okay, and there can be you also, we also, they also. According to that we will use were, like we have read these examples. Somewhere there is was, and somewhere there is were. Okay, but by chance they all are singular, so I have used was only. Okay, there are so many examples of them. Please try to do in your workbook also. Workbook chapter 5, you will get 2 exercises of past continuous tense. Try to do them. Okay, please try to do them. Again beta, I again want you to look at this rule and note down on your notebook. Subject was, were, verb first form plus ing. ओके, विद ही, शी, इट, आई के साथ was लगेगा. विद यू, वी, दे के साथ वर लगेगा. Okay, the next step is verb first form plus ing. Verb will be given to you in bracket, and what you have to do, you have to add ing and write in the blank. Okay, I hope I have cleared all your doubts. Try to do the exercises which are given to you in the workbook. Okay, so I hope I have cleared your doubt. This is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.